Skipping school without your parents knowing can take a lot of planning. Pick a specific day when you want to skip so you can prepare in advance. Depending on your school's attendance policy, you might need to make sure they don't contact your parents about your absence. For instance, you could forge an excuse note from your parents or even block the school's number on your parents' phones in case they call. If you usually take the bus or get a ride to school with your parents, you'll probably need to go to school as usual, then slip away after you get there. Plan to catch public transit, use rideshare, or have a friend pick you up. Avoid being in places where your parents might see you during the school day. For example, if you know they'll be home at a certain time, plan to be somewhere else. If you run into anyone you know, act confident. Come up with a story in advance and stick to it so that nobody gets suspicious.